Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV06. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Dyson SV06 is only running for about 10 minutes, you may be experiencing battery failure. This is a common issue that can occur due to battery degradation over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to the vacuum becoming unusable, leaving you with a device that can no longer effectively clean your home. To complete this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery specifically for the Dyson SV06, and a pair of tweezers for handling small components. First, ensure your Dyson SV06 is turned off and unplugged. Carefully lay it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Inside, you will find the battery compartment. The battery is usually held in place by a retaining clip. Locate this clip and gently release it using your fingers or the tweezers. Once the clip is free, you can carefully pull the old battery out of its compartment. When installing the new battery, make sure to align it correctly with the connectors. Push it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating that it is secured. Replace the retaining clip to hold the battery in place. Next, carefully close the casing of the Dyson SV06, ensuring that no wires are pinched in the process. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently but firmly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is securely fastened, turn your Dyson SV06 on to test the new battery. You should now find that it runs for a much longer duration, restoring its cleaning efficiency. To prevent this issue from recurring, always ensure that you're using the vacuum regularly, as batteries perform better with consistent use. Additionally, avoid leaving the vacuum on the charger for extended periods when not in use, as this can also lead to battery degradation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.